going to talk about galaxies. So what is a galaxy? It is a large collection of gas, dust, stars, and their planets, held together by gravitational attraction. They're made up of millions to trillions of stars, but also may have dust and gas. There are three types of galaxies: spiral, elliptical, irregular. So spiral galaxies. These two pictures show us the spiral galaxy of Andromeda. So what are spiral galaxies? Well, they have flat disks, spiral arms, central bulge, and a surrounding halo. Some even have a barred bulge in the center. They are always large. There are no dwarf spirals. All spiral galaxies are large. They have lots of gas and dust and young stars in their arms, but older stars and very little gas and dust in their halos and central bulges. Now, spiral galaxies are circular galaxies that have arms that curve outward from a central hub, and these arms are made up of stars and dust. So here you can see three different pictures of spiral galaxies. You can see here where you have your central hub and your spiral arms coming out. Here's the best picture: your central hub in the center and your spiral arms coming out and away from the center. So barred spiral galaxies are galaxies that only have two spiral arms extending out from a barred center. So here are some examples of these. So instead of just a central hub, they actually have more of a bar center and these two arms that come out. This is our best picture. You can see where we have only two arms coming out of what looks to be a bar. Elliptical galaxies. Now, elliptical galaxies range from spherical to football-shaped. They range from very small to giant. They will have very little gas or dust in them and contain mostly old stars. They're very similar to the central bulge of a spiral galaxy. So elliptical galaxies look like a spiral galaxy without the spiral arms. Elliptical galaxies are the most common type of galaxy. They're like large, three-dimensional football-shaped galaxies and contain mostly older, dimmer stars. Irregular galaxies. Irregular galaxies are any galaxy that are not classified as spiral or elliptical. They usually have lots of gas and dust and very young stars. They may have a distorted shape from interactions with another galaxy. Irregular galaxies will come in many different shapes and are smaller and the least common of all types of galaxies. So our Milky Way. Here is an artist picture of what they believe that our Milky Way galaxy looks like. You can see where they've already named the different arms. And our sun is right about here. So you can see here where we have the central bar and these arms coming off. And they believe that our sun is right about here. So we are estimating that our galaxy has about 200 billion stars and lots of gas and dust. It is because of this gas and dust that we believe that we are a barred spiral. We are, in our galaxy, about 100,000 light years wide, and our sun is about halfway to the edge, revolving at 500,000 miles per hour around the center of our galaxy. Our sun and solar system are located on one of the spiral arms. It takes our solar system about 200 million years to revolve just once around our galaxy. And our galaxy is an average size for a spiral galaxy. So why don't scientists know exactly what our galaxy looks like? Well, just imagine, if you will, sitting inside the Titan Stadium. You're sitting in one of the seats midway up, and you're told that you have to draw every last detail of the Titan Stadium from your seat. You can't leave. You can take a look around left and right and up and down, but can you actually get a full picture of what the stadium looks like? The inside, the field, the locker rooms, the outside concession stands, all of this from your seat? It's pretty difficult. Well, scientists only have telescopes within our own solar system right now, so it's very difficult from our seat to view the entire Milky Way galaxy. But we can look up at other galaxies and see around us what it looks like. It'd be kind of like looking up on your telephone what other stadiums look like, and then taking a look at what you see around you and coming up with comparisons.